Hey, you. Welcome to day 5 in my Jumpstart with Jesus series. Are you a peacemaker? Do you consider yourself a peacemaker? Do you even know what the term peacemaker means? It sounds simple enough, but how often do we think about our role in bringing peace to the world? Today, we will be diving into a very powerful teaching of Jesus. Blessed are the peacemakers, for they will be called the children of God. So, let's explore today what role you could take on in your home life, work life, or community to become a peacemaker and spread the love of Jesus. In Matthew chapter 5, verse 9, it says, "Blessed be the peacemakers, for they will be called the children of God." And what stands out the most is that Jesus didn't say, "Blessed are those who withstood conflict," or "Blessed are those who keep silence." No, what he said was, "Blessed are the peacemakers," and there is a big difference. Being a peacemaker is not passive. It is very active, actually. It's not just about avoiding conflict, it's about stepping into situations and providing peace. And the reward for being a peacemaker, you get to be called a child of God. There is no higher honor than that. So, what does it mean to be a peacemaker in your everyday life? How can we actually bring peace into today's situations that we deal with on a regular basis? Let's break it down and look at some practical tips that will help you to become a peacemaker in your home, your work, and your community. So, first, let's talk about your home. Your home is where you spend most of your time. For starters, you can become a good listener, whether it's with your spouse, your children, your parents, whomever you live with. Listening to understand and not listening so that you can come up with a response while you listen is superior to great communication and peacemaking. So, have grace, have kindness, and softness when you are responding to people. It puts them at ease and it just makes the situation overall better. So, next, we're going to talk about your workplace. And we all know how quickly and easily tensions can rise in the workplace. Even if you have been saved for years, there's always that one person that can pull out that ghetto fabulous side of you. But don't fall for the trap. Whether it's a disagreement with a colleague or workplace stress or gossip, be careful what you participate in. Keep the peace. One powerful way to promote peace at work is to speak positively. So, whatever the situation is, say something positive. Don't egg it on and continue with don't listen to the gossip, don't participate in the gossip, walk away, redirect the conversation if need be to something positive and something that is not ugly, negative, or gossipy. You do not want to participate in gossip. Gossip is a dead end street. Praising people works wonders. We all love to hear something nice about ourselves. We love when people pay attention to us and give us credit for whatever it is that we do. Be that one person that's quick to give praise to find something praiseworthy at that moment in time to kind of break whatever the problem is. Focus on something positive and praiseworthy. When conflicts arise, choose to be the mediator. Don't pick a side, okay? Listen to both sides and do your very best to be as fair as possible. Pray to God, ask God to give you guidance and discernment and direction in how to deal with your workplace conflict, because He will show you what the best course of action to take is if you ask Him. Don't add fuel to the fire, be a mediator, and keep the peace. And last but not least, let's talk about peace within your community, whether it's at church or some sporting event for your children or some sort of fair, or I don't know, just whatever, something within the community. Being a peacemaker, even on a small scale, even if it's a group of people, if there is one person, the voice of reason, please be that voice of reason. You'd be surprised how many people often look for an out. Even when things get out of hand, people still look for a way out a lot of times. And if you can be that one voice of reason, please do so. Be the voice of reason. Also, part of being a peacemaker is being involved in the community, bringing positivity to your community. Volunteer to do things for the elderly, grocery shopping, cutting their grass, helping with chores around their home, handyman type things. So, how can you be a peacemaker today? Peacemaking isn't about being perfect. It is about being intentional and creating a space where peace can thrive. So remember, Jesus did not just bless the peacemakers, He called them the children of God. Start today and watch how your actions can change the whole world around you. Come back tomorrow for day number 6. Then, bye.